Want to create a new profile on your Netflix account using your Android phone? Whether it's for a family member, kids, or to keep your recommendations separate, Netflix lets you add profiles easily right from the app. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create it easily. Let's get started. First, open your Netflix app. Now you'll see all your available profiles here. Right around the corner, there will be an add option. Tap on it. Now choose a cool profile icon for your new profile. Then give your profile a name. You can also select the kids profile. Toggle if you want to give the profile the parental control limits. That part is up to you. After that, you're done. Tap Save in the corner. And that's it. That's how you create a new Netflix profile on Android. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.